So this here is the RC7 Trayfiller with the hopper in the back of the machine rather than in the front here. The first thing we need to do is get power into the Trayfiller. So generally the machines are supplied with a plug. You just need to get your lead from your power source into the plug connection. The power input is determined by what's shown on the serial number plate here. So in this case the machine is a 230 volt single phase power input. Generally, once we've got the power onto the machine, one of the first things we may need to do is tension this in-feed conveyor belt. So we can tension it on these two bolts either side. This machine seems tight enough at the moment, but you don't really know till you start running trays through the machine. And the other thing is you may need to tension the conveyor belt inside the hopper. So setting up this machine for your determined tray, you have height adjustment on this machine by means of this little winder handle here. So you can go up or down depending on the height of your tray. In this case, we've got a 28 cell tray, so it's quite high. Just wind it down till there's you want about 10 mil to 20 mil clearance above the tray, or till the roller is just hitting the top of that tray. We also have these two guides here which should run either side of your tray, and they can be moved by just simply grabbing them. You can use a couple of people to adjust them either end if you like, but just move them in so they are running not tight, but holding that tray snug as it moves through the machine. So here we have the main control panel. Obviously an e-stop, if that's in, it disengages the whole machine. Then we can release it, turn the machine on. In this first switch we have vibration control. The second switch is the hopper on and off. The last switch here is manual auto function, which controls a switch at the exit of the machine down here. Here we have vibration control. So down in the machine here there's a plate. We can adjust the intensity of the vibration for better filling of the tray. Here we have the conveyor belt speed of your trays coming through the machine, and then your soil feed speed adjustment, and obviously start stop of the machine. So we're talking about this manual and auto switch, which is used when you are running this machine as let's say you're filling trays continuously, so you don't want the machine to stop feeding trays. The trays just run past, the trays continually keep coming through. Or you can adjust the switch, and when the trays hit this, the Trayfiller will cut out until the tray is taken away. When that switch is released, the machine starts up again. So this machine comes with a little add-on feature, which is these air blowing nozzles. So it cleans the tray as the tray comes through, and you can adjust the air adjustment here. Obviously this machine is designed with the possibility of setting up a seeder or a seeding line, and that's where this Trayfiller would take its air from, and that's why we have this blue hose here. But in this case If you're running it as a standalone Trayfiller, you don't necessarily have to have that. This is just an add-on feature.